the Changi Airport Terminal 3 Singapore Airlines plane, and I'm just looking at the runway for the Vietnam Airlines plane. The one that we're taking will be landing shortly in Airbus A321 serial number VN something, sorry, it's a 7-year-old VN A360. Yes, there it is. Here she comes, the Airbus A321 Vietnam Airlines, the plane that we will be taking to Hanoi. Isn't that cool? Alright. That is Vietnam Airlines. A small plane that will bring us to Hanoi today. Alright, see you later. This is the gates, B gates all the way, and this is the B gates. It's an EVA airplane here. EVA airplane, and as we head to gate B9, flight VN660 to Hanoi, departing 15:50 at gate B10, which we are almost at. And ladies and gentlemen, that is the Airbus A321 plane that we will be taking to Hanoi. Small.